Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. All clear.
Okay, sir.
Come on,
Thank
sir.
you. Yes, sir.
স্যার আপনাকে মনে হয় আমি হোস্ট করে দিয়েছি, আমাকে একটু কো-হোস্ট করে রাখেন তাহলে।
হ্যাঁ, sure, sir. Okay, thank you.
বলে হোস্ট হয়ে গেছেন আপনি।
হ্যাঁ,
সমস্যা
sure.
নাই।
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam. Just 1 minute.
স্যার আজকে সাকিব নো স্যার ক্লাস করার কথা না।
হ্যাঁ, স্যার একটু বিজি আছেন বাবা, এই জন্য আমি ডিল করছি। Sir, I think now you are host now, sir. So you can make me co-host. I think everything is. Shahidul Islam, sir. Hello. Shahidul Islam, sir. Hello. I think just 1 minute, Baba. Shahidul Islam, sir, can you hear me? Option.
Sir, you are the co-host.
Sir,
Okay.
আপনি
I think is it now okay? Yes, now okay. Everything is okay. I think okay. Dear students, can you see the board diagram here?
Yes, sir. All
Yes,
clear.
sir.
So I think you get the notice that we are going to revise here full arithmetic topics, exercise 1.1 to exercise 1.6, today's class. So inshallah, we have remaining 2 class with you. In this week, inshallah, you will get 1 or 2 class. On that class, we will revise again algebraic side and geometry side. So today, inshallah, we will revise up to last exercise 1.1 to exercise 1.6. So dear students, be prepared, and I will call your name. Then you can raise your hand, and step by step, we will inshallah discuss these all topics here. So now I think you all are now muted here. First questions, we are going to start from exercise 1.1. See here the number 1, 2, this is the digit is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and there is another 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is the number is called in international system? Please raise your hand, those who can answer. The number in international system. Number in international system. What is called this number in international system? There are 5 students, 2 students have raised hand. Baba, please turn on your camera, otherwise I will not receive your comments. So now it's time for 500, 705. So Baba, what is the answer? 705, unmute yourself.
Sir, the answer is 1 billion.
Your answer is 1 billion. 706, what is your answer?
1 billion.
1 billion your answer. And 809, your answer is also same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, now everyone, yes. Now mute yourself. Okay, I think please, maximum students, you can write in also in the comment section. You can give your opinion to me. So here you said, we all know in international systems, this is the first comma. Suppose first comma, this comma for the 1000. Second comma, we know after 3 digit, 1000 millions. And then third comma for the billions. And this is for the trillions. So if I mentioned here the first comma for 1000. And then second comma, this is for million. And third comma, million, billion, and trillion. 1000 million, sorry, this is billion. thousand, million, billion, and this comma for the trillion. So now here we can say here 1 trillion, not 100. Also you can say here 1,000 billion. But in the international system, we know the comma is after 3 digit. So first comma for 1,000, second comma for million, third comma for billion, and the fourth comma for trillion. So this is 1. According to the international system, this one will be 1 trillion. So now we can write here million, billion, 1 trillion. So this is answer is 1 trillion. 1 trillion. So please, Baba, any more questions? Do you have any more questions up to this? Please, can we start the next question?
Yes, sir.
Can we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. So first right here, the second question, 1. This is the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the blank box, 5 and 6. Which number to be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6? Which number divisible by 6? The condition is divisible by 6. So which number should be placed in the blank box? Write your answer in the comment section. And also you can raise your hand. 709 students, 709 have raised hand. Baba, okay, I will give 10 seconds or 15 seconds more to review answer. The question is which digit should be placed in the blank box so that the number will be divisible by 6. I am repeating again, which digit, which smallest digit, I think it will be better, which smallest digit should be placed in blank box? Which smallest digit, which smallest digit will be placed in blank box? Which smallest digit will be placed in blank box, and so that the number will be divisible by the 6? There are 3 students have raised, and Baba, write your answer in the comments. Safar Jaman, your answer is 3, and Sarjit bin Raja, your answer is 0. And now let me review. Please write in the comment section. So now 704, unmute yourself. 704, unmute yourself. What is your answer? 703.
Sir, 3.
Your answer is 3.
Sir, 3.
Why you think it will be 3?
Sir, whom you asking?
Why you think in the blank box the smallest digit will be 3? Number 4, 303 answer. Your answer is 3. So why you think in the blank box the digit will be 3? Let me explain.
Sir, then it will be divisible by 6.
If we place here 3, there it will be divisible by 6. Okay, now 709. Baba, unmute yourself. What is the condition to become divisibility by 3? Sorry, by 6. 709. What is the condition to become divisibility by 6?
Sir, আমি আগে বলছিলাম স্যার 3, 709.
Okay, just your answer is 3. Thank you. আচ্ছা, okay, Baba. এখন আমার question হচ্ছে, what is the condition to become divisibility by 6? Can you answer this one? কন্ডিশনটা কি বলতো 6 দ্বারা ডিভিজিবল হওয়ার যেটা কন্ডিশন ছিল, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য কন্ডিশন? Okay, now who can answer, please? Now,
Sir, first to add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, then the result will be divided by 6.
the result will be divided by 6. I think this is not the condition to become the divisibility. There is a specific rules to become the divisibility. অর্থাৎ 6 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হওয়ার জন্য কন্ডিশন আছে। Who can say the condition, please? 809, Jarif. Unmute yourself. 809.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition to become divisibility by 6?
Sir, স্যার টোটাল প্লাস করলে তো 22 হয়, তাহলে তো স্যার ব্ল্যাঙ্ক বক্সে তো 2 বসবে, কারণ 24 তো 6 দিয়ে ডিভিজিবল হয়।
আমি তোমাকে কোশ্চেন করেছিলাম কি বলতো, একটা নাম্বার 6 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হওয়ার জন্য হোয়াট ইজ দ্য কন্ডিশন টু বিকাম দ্য ডিভিজিবিলিটি বাই 6? মানে 6 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হওয়ার জন্য রুলস কি বলতো? ওকে নাও বাবা,
আমি বলবো
ওকে ইয়েস,
স্যার it should be divisible by 3 and 2.
yes, absolutely right answer. Who said, please say your name?
Isarim Rashid Zarif.
ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ বাবা, অ্যাবসলিউটলি। দেখো 6 দ্বারা ডিভাইড হতে হলে এটা 2 এবং 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হতে হবে। This number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. এখন দেখো last digit is the even number. Last digit is even number. That's why the number will be divisible by 2 because all even number are divisible by 2. Last digit here 6. So this is even. First condition হচ্ছে even. All even number divisible by 2. So for 2 দিয়ে done. Now 3 এর জন্য হচ্ছে sum. আমরা sum গুলো বের করব এখানে 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. The sum will be 11. 11 plus 5 15. 15 plus 11 plus 4 15. 15 plus 5 20 21. So this 21 is also divisible by 3. Their answer will be 27. দেখো আমি একটু সামটা আবার রিভিউ করি। 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 1 21. So 21 is divisible by 3. That's why now we can say here এখানে যে ডিজিট গুলো আছে এই ডিজিট গুলো সাম হচ্ছে 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে, আবার লাস্ট ডিজিট হচ্ছে 2 ইভেন নাম্বার, দ্যাটস হোয়াই ইটস ডিভিজিবল বাই অলসো 2. সো আমরা এখানে 0 বসাতে হবে বিকজ 0 ইজ দ্য স্মলেস্ট ডিজিট। 0 ইজ দ্য স্মলেস্ট ডিজিট হুইচ শুড বি প্লেস ইন দ্য ব্ল্যাঙ্ক বক্স। কোন স্মলেস্ট নাম্বার সেট করলে সেখানে 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে? 0 সেট করলে 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে, 3 সেট করলে 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে, 6 সেট করলে 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে, 9 সেট করলে 3 দিয়ে ডিভাইড হবে। বাট দ্য কোশ্চেন ইজ smallest number. Which is smallest digit? That means answer is 0. So right here answer is 0. Do you have any question up to this? দুজন স্টুডেন্ট রেজ হ্যান্ড করছে বাবা, তোমাদের এই কোশ্চেনে কোনো আনসার আছে? Please if you have any question please raise your hand. Two students have raised hand baba. Okay, now there are, okay, now you can unmute. Two students have.
স্যার আমাদের এই কোশ্চেনটা আসবে, আমরা কি এটা পুরাটা যেরকম আপনি লিখেছেন ওইভাবে লিখবো নাকি জাস্ট ডাইরেক্ট অ্যানসার লিখবো স্যার?
If the MCQ, then on that time you have to choose the correct answer. আর যদি CQ পার্ট হয় আমরা এইভাবে কন্ডিশন গুলো দেখিয়েছিলাম, how to find the divisibility rules. You can revise the our maths class. আমরা ম্যাথ ক্লাসে এই কন্ডিশন গুলো দেখিয়েছিলাম, how to become the divisibility, how to add the numbers. Clear? But MCQ হলে তুমি তোমার মতো করে শর্ট ফর্মে আনসার স্টার্ট করতে পারবে। Okay, maximum students already done in the comment section. Yes, it's 21. So if we add here 24, the sum is 6160. 0 add করলে আমাদের হবে কারণ ডিজিটের মধ্যে 0 হচ্ছে একটা ডিজিট also. So now next question, number 3. So please everyone try to answer. Number 3, 1/6 minus 1/6, comma 7/8. What is the LCM? LCM of the right here of LCM of 1/6. I think let me clearly write here LCM of 1/6, comma 7/8 is equals to what? 705. Baba? Okay, please no say the right answer directly. Write in the comment section. Also, you can raise your hand if you're complete. 705. Baba, tomar raise hand kora ase. If you have no question, please lower your hand. 705. Okay. Now write in the comment section. There is answer. Safar Jaman, your answer is 24. Which question answer is 24? Two students have raised hand. What is the LCM of 1/6 and 7/8? 5 students. Jarib already done. Thank you, Baba. Now, Dawan Ahmed, only 5 students, please. Said Ahnaf Amin. Did you complete, Baba? 702.
Sir, I'm doing, sir. 1 minute.
Okay. Please try to answer in time. Okay, now let me ask the question here to become the, what is the formula of, now, Sajid, 731. Sajid, raise your hand, 731. Okay, what is the formula of finding LCM of the fractions? Sajid.
And hand raise yes, sir.
Okay, Baba. Do you know the formula to find the LCM of the fractions? Do you know the formula of finding LCM of fractions?
Sir.
Okay, Baba. একটু ভালো করে রিভাইজ করতে হবে। সিম্পল কোশ্চেন। 818. Unmute yourself. What is your answer?
Division of numerator is the LCM.
Numerator, LCM of the numerator divided by LCM of the denominator. What is your answer of this question number 3?
Sir, 24.
24 not the correct answer, Baba. 24 is not the correct answer. Okay, now Jarib, you have raised hand. Jarib, what is your answer?
Sir, 7.
7 only. Okay, let me review. I think maximum student, I think why you are giving the only the numerical number answer, it will be fractions. Okay, let me review here. Now, LCM of the fractions, LCM is equals to, yes.
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
Sir,
Anna?
it will be 7/24.
7/20. Okay, 7/24. Okay, let me review. LCM of the, thank you, Baba. Okay, let me review. LCM of the numerator, HCF of denominator, HCF of denominators. So numerator LCM হবে আমাদের 7 এবং denominator গুলোর HCF হবে, there is only 2. HCF of the denominators এর HCF হচ্ছে 2. Now আমি একটু দেখাচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে how to find the LCM. I think you all know 1 এবং 7 এর LCM হবে 7. 1 and 7, 1 and 1. Okay, the LCM is 7. HCF means finding the factors. এখন যদি তোমাদের HCF বলতে হয় 1 2 3 and 6, 8 এর ফ্যাক্টরস গুলো হচ্ছে 1 2 4 and 8, so common factor হচ্ছে 2, that's why HCF হচ্ছে 2. You can give here answer sorry, and also dividing,
আমরা এটা মিক্স ফ্র্যাকশনে নিব না স্যার?
হ্যাঁ দুটোই আনসার হতে পারে, নো প্রবলেম বাবা, you can also write this one is as a answer. So please LCM.
I wrote the right answer.
Sir, I have a question.
No,
Sir, if it says HCF of 1/6 and 7/8, then it will be HCF of numerator, then LCM of denominator.
Yes, absolutely right answer. যখন আমাকে LCM বলবে উপরে হবে LCM. Yes,
স্যার আমরা কি HCF টা কেমনে করব?
HCF
Fraction এর?
হ্যাঁ ফ্র্যাকশনের HCF এর আমি একটা MCQ দিচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে বাবা, ওকে একটু পরে দিচ্ছি। নাও গিভ অ্যাটেনশন, আশা করি আই থিংক কনসেপ্ট ইজ ক্লিয়ার।
Yes, sir.
স্যার
নাও যাদের একটু বাবা তোমাদের কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকলে প্লিজ রেজ হ্যান্ড, আদারওয়াইজ একটু হ্যান্ড রেজ যাদের করা আছে একটু নামিয়ে নাও। জারিফ, ডু ইউ হ্যাভ এনি কোশ্চেন? একটু খেয়াল করবে বাবা, হ্যান্ড রেজ করে যদি একটু ওয়েট করো তাহলে তো Do you have any question? 709.
No, sir, আমার right দিছিল।
So Baba, hand raised একটু up করে নাও। I think if you have any essential or needed, then okay. Now, next question, question number 3. This is the question number 3. Now, next question. This is the question number 4. Which is the greatest? Which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number of 2 digit? Which is the greatest number of 2 digit? Which is divisible? Which is divisible by 3? So now I think which is divisible by 5? Which is the greatest number of 2 digit which is divisible by 5? Two students have raised hand. Baba, please write the answer in the comment section. 95. Sajid bin Raja, your answer is 95. Tabib Rehman, answer, your answer is 95. And Sajid, your answer is 95. I think now, yes, absolutely right answer. Maximum student you have said answer is 95. Thank you, Baba. Now our divisibility condition, last number should be 5 or 0. So first step, greatest number 99. Then subtract here 4. The number will be 95 and 95, and that's why this is our answer. Because the greatest number is not divisible by 5. So যখন এটা 5 থেকে ডিভাইড হবে না, আমাদেরকে 1 মাইনাস করতে হবে, or 2 মাইনাস করতে হবে, or 3 মাইনাস করতে হবে, or 4 মাইনাস। যেখানে মাইনাস করলে last digit will be 0 or 5. When the last digit is 0 or 5, the number will be divisible by 5. But we cannot add here any single digit, because if we add any single number, the 99 will not any 2 more number. It will convert it into 3-digit number. That's why in times of greatest number we have to subtract, but in times of smallest number we have to add. Smallest number এর সময় আমরা add করব এবং greatest number এর সময় minus করব, কারণ greatest number এর সময় আমরা যদি আরো নাম্বার add করি তাহলে কিন্তু এটা 2 digit থাকবে না, it one will be 3 digit or 4 digit. এবং smallest number থেকে we cannot subtract, কারণ smallest number থেকে যদি subtract করি 3 digit number converted into 2 digit number, 2 digit number converted into 1 digit number. So এটা সবাই খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করবা। In times of greatest number, it one will be subtraction. In times of smallest number, on that case, it one will be addition. Clear? Okay. Now, Baba, if you have any question, please you can ask me any question. Please, can we start the next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. You can.
Okay, please. 703 you have raised, and Baba, any more question? 703 আমি বললাম যে বাবা তোমাদের যদি কোনো কোশ্চেন না থাকে রেজ হ্যান্ডটা অফ করে রাখো। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার। Now we can start the next question. So I think okay. Now question number this is the question number 4, and now question number 5. There is a question number 5. 1/4 divided by 4 multiply with 1/4 then minus 4 is equals to what? This is the tricky simplifications. So please write in the comment section, write your answer, and first copy the maths properly. There is a divide, multiply, and subtraction. Answer is Safar Jaman, your answer. Yes, I have received your answer. Question number, please, in the comment section, you can write the question number and answer, like question number 4 answer, question number 5 answer. Yes, I have received answer from the 5 students. There are around 33 students connected with us. Why only 5 students? Please, everyone, these types of simplifications you have done also in class 4 and 5. Please, Jarif Al Jawad, please, Baba, write your answer in the comment section. Jarif. Now, I think just answer is 1. Maximum student, you are writing answer 1, 0, 5, 60, 0, 1, 5. I think there are so many different answer. 1, 0, 65, 00. Let me review. Safar Jaman, your answer is 0. Sarjit bin Reza, your answer is 60. 709, your answer is 0. 804, your answer is 1. 711, your answer is 1. 5 number question, your answer is okay. Maximum student now writing your answer is 1. Now, okay, let me review this one. First, we can do this one. Divide operation first. 1/4 multiply, then 4 will be 1/4 because this divide converted into multiply. This divide converted into multiply, and there will be 1/4, and then now minus 4. So first divide converted into multiply, then 4 will be denominator and 1 will be numerator. It will be reciprocal. So now there is no simplification reduced from, so we have to multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, 1 and minus 4. So here the calculation will be 1/4, 4 just 16, 16 multiply 4, 64 minus 4. So first 4 multiply 4, there will be 16 multiply again 4, 4 4 6 24, 24 2 carry to 64. Now 64 minus 4. So this answer will be 1/64. Here take the LCM 64, 1 minus 4 multiply 64. So here this answer will be 1 minus 4 4 just 16, 6 carry 1. 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 1 25 and divided by 64. So here answer is minus 255 and divided by 64. 255 divided by 64. So now we can give here answer, and also we can convert this one into the mixed fractions. If we convert this one into the mixed fractions, like 255 divided by 64, 255 divided by 64, you will get here 3 wholes minus 3 whole. So now 3 multiply 64, there will be 64 minus 255. So then you will get here 63. So both case may be answer. যদি কোশ্চেনে আমাদের requirement থাকে in the mixed form or mixed fractions, the answer will be this one. আর যদি কোশ্চেনে mixed fraction এ convert করার অপশন যদি requirement না থাকে, you can write the answer first one. আর যদি কোনোটাই মেনশন করা না থাকে, anyone you can give, no problem বাবা। So এই টাইপের কোশ্চেন গুলো আমাদের সিকিউ তে এ নম্বরে থাকতে পারে, নাম্বার এ। 709 you have raised hand baba, any question? 709. Now if you have any question, please you can ask me the question. Now you can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. Yes, any question? Yes. And baba, any question? If you have any question,
Sir, my 1 minus 4 into 64. Where did the 64? I mean, why did the 64 is there? Why is the 64? That's the question.
this line, in this line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Baba, just doing the simplification, like 1 minus, suppose 3 by 2. Taking the LCM here. In this case, if we take the LCM 2, directly this number will be multiplied with this one. 2 1s are 2 minus 3. In the same way, there is a 4. So considering here denominator is 1. So now 64 divided by 1, the answer will be 64. So 64 directly multiply with the 4. যখন আমাদের এখানে সিঙ্গেল ডিজিট থাকবে, directly we can multiply. Like if we give another example, like 3 by 6 minus 4. So if we take the LCM 6, consider here minus 1 or 1. So 6 and 1, their LCM is 6. So 3 minus 6 divided by 1, answer will be 6. So now 4 multiply 6. In the same way, 64 multiply with 4. Is it now clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Can we start the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now if we find that one questions from the decimal number, it's very easy question. My request to all of you, please try to answer properly. Now question numbers, this is the question number 6. This is the question number 6. Here 0.001 divided by 100 is equals to what? Please everyone write in the comment section what will be your answer. Hurry up and should answer this question properly. Question number 7. 0.001 multiply 0.002 multiply 0.003. So I think we have remaining only 6 minutes. Still now student joining here. Okay, Baba, please. What will be the answer of question number 6 and 7? Six number question answer, Tabib Rehman, your answer is done. Thank you, Baba. Safar Jaman, your answer is also done. Sajid bin Raja, your answer is done. Please, I have received the answer from 3 students. Sajid, your answer is done. Okay. Sir, give HCF of fractions. Okay, Baba, আমি HCF fraction একটা question দিচ্ছি, Baba. Okay. Now, question number 7. Tabib Rehman answer. Your answer is done. Baba, those who have complete number 6, please start number 7. Start question number 7. It's the answer. Saif Alam Bhuya, your 7 number question answer done. Thank you, Baba. Now, please, Jarib, write in the comment section answer. Already you have raised hand. Please, if you are complete, please. Okay, now I think maximum students already done. Please write the question number 7. I have received answer from the 7 students of question number 6. Please, what will be the answer of question number 7? 7 number answer. Ahnaf, I mean your answer. 7 number answer is done. 0.000000006. Okay. Let me review your answer. Only 7 students have it. Okay. Now, okay. First question number 7. Okay, 6. Let me review here. There are 2 0 after 1. যখন 1 এর পরে দুটো 0 থাকবে, let me review here. 1, there are divide by 100. 100 means with 1 2 0. 2 0 হলে ডেসিমেলটা 2 ঘর রাইট সাইডে মুভ করবে। ডিভাইড করার সময় ডেসিমেল will move in the left side. I am repeating again, in times of divide, decimal will be shift in the left side. There are 2 0, 1 0 and 2 0, so it will be 2 digit. যেহেতু এখানে আমাদের একটা ঘর আছে, সো আমরা এখানে মুভ করব 1 0 0. So this decimal will shift in the 2 unit left side. এখানে আমাদের একটা ইউনিট আছে, সো আমরা এখানে তাহলে আরো দুটো ইউনিট, 1 ইউনিট 2 ইউনিট, এই ডেসিমেলটা এখান থেকে 2 ইউনিট রাইটে শিফট করবে। So we can write here, this is our answer. In times of divide, decimal will shift in the right to left side. There is 1 0, so you can write this one or you can give answer here, 0.00001. Now question number 7. First multiply all numerical number. 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, because there is an ending unit place digit. 3 multiply 2 multiply 1, this one will be 6. This one will be 6. Now count here how many decimal place. There are 3 decimal place. There are 3 decimal place. There are 3 decimal place. Total 9 decimal place. So in 9 decimal place already 1 digit done. 1, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one will be 9 decimal place. Again I'm repeating, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our answer. So now 7-number question and 6-number question answer done with the decimal place. So I think now no, Baba, 7-number answer is now okay. You have done mistake. Maximum student, you didn't give here 9 decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 3, and 3, 9. Because total 9 decimal place here. Okay, the last question. Number, we have remaining 1 minute. Everyone. Co-prime. Which one is co-prime? Which one is co-prime? Which following one is co-prime? There are 12 and 15, 12 and 15, and 12 and 14. Which one is co-prime? There are 2 pair, 1 pair and 2 pair. Which one is co-prime? So almost time is over. Please do hurry up. We will take here 10 seconds. Sir, 12 and 14 is Muntasir. Your answer is 12 and 14. Which one is co-prime? Which one is co-prime? Co-prime number. So we can find the all factors. Like 12 factors gulo ki 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4, 6 and 12. 6 and 12. 15 এর factors গুলো কি কি ছিল? 1, 3, 5, 1 3 5 15 so 12 এর ফ্যাক্টরস আমাদের অলরেডি ডান 14 এর ফ্যাক্টরস গুলো কি কি হবে 1 2 7 and 14 this is the factors so co-prime number এর definition হচ্ছে if there is no common factors except one there is a common factors 3 so that's why they are not co-prime not co-prime and now in the times of 12 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 so there is no any common factor there is also 2 yes there is also 2 common factors দেখো আমাদের কোশ্চেন ছিল যদি except one এর বাইরে যদি common factors না থাকে তাহলে হবে co-factors but here are 2 so there is no co-factor এখানে একটা ফ্যাক্টর হচ্ছে 2 common এখানে 3 হচ্ছে common so there are no co-prime there are no co-prime number both are not co-prime number এখানে দেখো দুটো নম্বরের মধ্যে কমন ফ্যাক্টর আছে 12 এবং 14 এর মধ্যে হচ্ছে 2 কমন ফ্যাক্টর 12 এবং 15 এর মধ্যে হচ্ছে 3 কমন ফ্যাক্টর so that's why there is no common factor now baba any more question do you have any question please
No, sir.
did you understand
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes, sir.
inshallah next
So the HCF formula.
HCF ফর্মুলা বাবা একজন একটু জিজ্ঞাসা করেছিল HCF এর সময় হবে তোমাদের HCF of numerator HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator
Denominator, sir. Denominator.
this is the formula okay baba inshallah next class we will revise algebraic side and inshallah if we get that time we will again revise geometry no problem inshallah okay thank you so much hope to see you all in the next classes and wish you all the best Assalamualaikum.
ওয়ালাইকুম স্যার
Sir, can you please upload this content in YouTube?
Okay, okay baba inshallah okay sure okay thank you